In fact, my colleague Rishabh was also able to get a glimpse of the Indian Army's artillery guns used against the enemy during Operation Sindoor. These are guns that fired first, sending a clear message to India's readiness and strength.
So what you're seeing on your screen right now is artillery guns of Indian Army opening their barrels on the enemy. Remember, during Operation Sindoor, while the short arm, small arm firing, the ceasefire violations begin just after Pahalgam attack, and when after the CCS on 23rd of April, India took punitive action against Pakistan, including putting the Indus Water Treaty into abeyance. The small arm firing began from 23rd of April itself. After the 7th of May, when India knocked down about 9 terror bases, terror launch pads in POK as well as Pakistan, including the Lashkar headquarters in Muridke and Jaish headquarters in Bahawalpur, these small arms firing converted into further escalation, and that's when the artillery firing started happening from the Pakistani side. These guns, I'll ask my camera person Himanshu to show you. These guns were the guns that were the first to fire and showcase that what India was prepared for. The arty guns opened on 7th morning, and since then it kept on firing till understanding was approached by India and Pakistan on 10th of May. On 10th of May as well, there were arty firings. By 12th, it was finally decided between the two countries that the hostilities on the border, LOC and IB, will be ceased. The understanding right now is in place. Things are better at the border, but it is fragile. The Indian Army is all prepared. They are in their operation preparedness, operation deployment. What you're seeing on your screen is just one glimpse of it from here in Jammu Kashmir at a forward base next to the line of control, from where Indian arties opened their barrels to answer the violations that were happening from the Pakistani side. Here in Jammu and Kashmir, with camera person Himanshu Verma, Rishabh Marvin Pratap for Times Now.